Hello explorers, and welcome to another chill stream where I'm gonna create an intro logo. I'm gonna try to create some intro logo or something in CSS, and I don't really have any plan. I have a vision about what I want to create, but I'm not really sure how to do it. Let's see here. First off, we need some text, I believe. Let's go to Google Fonts. Bungee. This one is nice. So let's create a style tag. Import. And let's see here. Okay, so if we want yeah, I guess I got 2 of them. Yeah, I got 2 of them. Yeah, I only want the bungee. Thank you. So let's say that p tag should have this font family. That'd be something. P tag, and let's use my name. Passion. Like that. See how that looks. Great. Let's boost it up a bit. Font size 40 points, perhaps. I think we can do it even larger. 60. Now we are starting to split. So 50. There we go. Body HTML. Let's remove all padding and all margins. So we set the thing view a bit, and let's give the body flex display flex, and align items center, justify content center. So that should center that one, and we also need height to be view height 100. There we have it in the middle, like that. Should the text be bold? Let's say 600. Still recognizable. 700. 800. Not sure if. Yeah, it's definitely thicker at 800. I think 600 was enough, right? Don't want it to be too thick. So what can we do now? We can. I want the name to appear. So I want it to be hidden and then appear using CSS. So I want some screen. Let's do a div here. class screen set index 10. Let's give this set index 5. Let's say that this should be height, 100 view height, width 100 view. Display fixed. Absolute fixed. No. Position. Position fixed. Top 0, left 0. So we position it over everything. And if we give this a background color of white, then the name disappears. Nice. Transition. Where is it? Transform. So we should have a transition property. Strange. Transform box style region. So let's look up transitions. Transition with two seconds. Let's say that we hoover it. It's pretty much what I want. Let's do it a bit faster. Cool. So let's say like this. We want start, and then we use script tag down here. Script tag, and let's do a function. No, you do like this, right? Like that you do. You get the function that starts when when the page loads. JavaScript syntax is so weird. So let's put that on ID instead. And let's get this screen. Documents. Element by ID. Screen. And let's add a class name to the screen. Start. So that should onload. Get everything going, right? Maybe I need to give this a little bit more of a specific. The screen is still more specific. So that's the problem. That should be, yeah. So set timeout function. Let's do this. Let's give it 50 mils. So let's do this with some delay. Maybe that will help our case. There we go. Nice. Oh, now let's change this to 140%. Pushed it a bit. Maybe a bit more. There we go. Now it's a little bit offset. So I can work with the sizes later on. Now I need to find a resource. There we go. Let's see if we can find the yellow value here. Can reuse that. There we go. And close that. And we give the, yeah, we don't have any text color. Color. Yeah. That looks really yellow. Let's go for the background color. Let's do. Did I have a background color as well? There we go. Yeah. So we need to have the background color not white, purple as well. There we go. So now I should be able to add an image. Logo. That. And the logo should be in source images. And we called it yellow. CG. Let's see. No. 01. Naming things are hard. There we go. And logo. Something for this as well. It should be position, absolute. How to do this, because this needs to move. Height 150 pixels. Top. So if I don't give any top coordinates, it's positioned there. Well, that's not bad. It's not correct, but it's not bad. So let's push it a bit closer. Is that good enough, or is it too close? I think it's too close. There. Should be good. And now comes the fun part, because this is actually the end. So now we need to figure out where this should end up. First off, it should be a set index of 15. Z index. It's a really weird thing that we have, say, in Swedish you say Z, and in some countries you said Z, and some countries you said Z. And C for me, that's a totally different letter. So this is logo start, and it should transition, position left 1 second. So it should be still absolute and everything like that, but the left value should be there. So here we need it to be over there. I'm not sure if that's... Yeah, it's over there. It's over there, right? We need the logo element as well. Logo. Give that a class name of start as well. It should be in 0.7 seconds. 0.9 seconds. 0.8 seconds. So can you discern that the text and that they aren't really synced? Yep, I think that should be good enough. And it goes from at least 110%. And now we need a little bit of a strange one. Transform, rotate. Rotate 180 degrees. Transform, rotate 0 degrees. Transition, transform. Can do that. Everything should be done in first off we do it yeah, that's pretty good actually. Even though we don't swing it that much, it's actually pretty good, right? Maybe we can do some rounded corners on this one. It doesn't look that... border radius 50%. So we need to change the sizing here. Let's push it, pop it, fix it, drop it. Let's go for it. 60. That's pretty cool, actually. We need the... Maybe we can do the screen. Say that this have 30% as well. Then we need a little bit different speed. So let's see here. 30, 30, 1 second, 1 second. Maybe we can do 1 second down here as well. And they could line up, hopefully. Maybe. Can I push this so it actually ends up closer? Or is that not possible? No, that's not possible. That's only possible if I make it not having a background color. So if we go back to that again, then it's very important that they end up in the same place. But then I have that problem instead. But that can be easily solved. I don't need to have the Daniel. That looks better. And then we just pad this with a little bit more. Could be quite nice. The first one is a little bit faster. Ease in out. No. Ease out, perhaps. I wonder if I want to do anything more with this. I was thinking about a little bit of a wobbly phase at the end of the so this goes a little bit over and back. See how that looks. That should be here then. That's over dramatic. Wow. So is there a little bit of a let's see if that's better. No, it's still very much too much. And I believe we also don't need the initial. Or else it will not. Now we are almost too little. Let's do it a little bit more. So now comes the fun part of actually finding a sound that fits this little animation. So I was looking into marble sound. That was a big. That sound, I think, could be something if we time the end of it so it actually ends up exactly when yeah, that could be something. Let's see if we can record when I record the animation. That would be interesting. So let's see here what we need. So we need the last part. So how much do we need? We need about 2 seconds. So let's see here. That part we absolutely do not need. Let's remove that part like that. And then we need to figure out how to. It's almost 3:30. So then I need to remove 1:30. So about here. That's what I need to keep. Can keep a bit more. So somewhere here. Let's remove that. Move this up. This might be nope. So we are done after a second. So this is almost 2 seconds now. So let's say that we start from here somewhere. So we don't remove too much. That's pretty good. Maybe we should try with some chime. Creative Commons 0 license. No copyright. The person who associated this deed has dedicated the work to the public domain. Yeah. I thought it was so nice. So much fun. Can have ludicrous, so much fun with these things. There we go. So. So this was what I wanted to play around with today. I hope that you found this little intro making interesting. I hope that you learned something today. And if you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. You probably will see this intro to this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. And I really hope to see you in the next video.